Hey there, R&D innovators. Are you ready to revolutionize your formulations and stay ahead in the game? I've got something that'll transform the way you approach siloxane-free chemistry. Introducing our advanced online training on functional and siloxane-free formulations, advanced strategies for compliance and performance. Now, why is this crucial? First, regulators are cracking down on traditional siloxanes like D4, D5, and D6. They're tightening the noose. And if siloxanes are still in your core formulations, you're already behind. Get ahead before restrictions force your hand. Also, you need real alternatives that actually perform, not just supplier claims. We're talking tested, proven, siloxane-free options that work in coatings, adhesives, cosmetics, and more. And let's face it, sustainability isn't a nice-to-have anymore. Customers expect it. Regulations demand it. This expert-led online training shows you how to build cleaner, compliant products without killing performance. So who is this training for? It's perfect for R&D scientists, technical managers, formulation scientists, product developers, regulatory affairs professionals, and application engineers in industries like paints, inks, or electronics. Our industry-recommended expert-led training covers everything you need to know. We will cover in detail all the important aspects, including functional siloxanes, the foundation drivers for siloxane-free innovation, regulatory pressure and market trends, sustainability and green chemistry demands, performance versus compliance. Confusion expert will also discuss in detail the siloxane-free technologies, chemistries and strategies, design principles, emerging siloxane-free alternatives, application-specific solutions and case studies to related to industry practices. We'll also dig into technical and regulatory challenges, best practices and future outlooks. And don't forget the Q&A session, where you can get all your questions answered. Why not to miss out on this game-changing training? This is a must-have opportunity to equip yourself with the knowledge and tools to thrive in a rapidly evolving landscape. Click the link in the description to register now and stay ahead in the realm of siloxane-free formulations. Let's innovate responsibly and sustainably. Share this with your team and organization to ensure no one gets left behind. To register and for more information, visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.